All right, so far it doesn't look like a whole lot, and that's because we've got to apply a little bit of styling to prepare, and then we're going to add the JavaScript to add the functionality. So the styling, what it's going to do, it's going to hide the body content, and also we're going to create another class that we don't have yet, and that's going to be the active class, and that's going to show. So the body is going to be display none, and the active is going to be display block. So when we using JavaScript add active to the element, it's going to show, and when it's not added, it's going to display none, so it's going to hide the element. And then also a little bit of styling to make the head look different than the body, so it stands out a little bit more. And you can of course apply your own styling as needed. The most important part is creating a class of active with the display block and a class of body with the display none. And I'm going to do it on the same page, just using the style tags, as this is going to be a relatively short project. So we'll select the main container and selecting any class of a body under main, and then have padding, give it 5 pixels, and I'm going to give the border a fairly light color. And as you can see, as I'm typing it in, it's available on the right hand side. And I'm going to add in the display none afterwards. So let's create a new class, and this one is going to be active, and we'll also apply it only in the a body because we're containing the a body that is going to display none, and then this one's going to display. And then lastly, let's do a little bit of styling for the head. So main a head. I don't want to spend too much time on the styling, but I do want to separate it so it stands out. Make the font size a little bit bigger, and then margin for this as well. And that should be it. So we're ready to move on to the next lesson. We're going to get into the JavaScript part of the project.